Hi guys, a quick introduction to our BITS video here. Bitcoin is a secret, of course. Crypto wealth made safe, easy and predictable. Purpose of this video is to go through our help account, which has been set up due to popular demand. But just before we go through that and explain the page, a quick introduction to why you might want help on an account through the web page. Is a quick introduction to Marius Landman.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Marius from PythonSignals.com. I am the Bitcoin trading analyst here at Python Signals. On the 14th of December 2018, I am coming to you direct from Australia, live in the Oriental Hotel in Lagos, Nigeria, through a Zoom webinar. The biggest transfer of wealth in the history of the world is about to happen. A little bit of a history about me. I worked in the oil and gas industry for the last 20 years. I developed an algorithm, and this algorithm can basically predict the future pathway of Bitcoin. On 5 December 2017, my algorithm showed Bitcoin is heading to a high point of $20,000 on the 14th of December, 2 days before Bitcoin went to 20,000 and then dropped. I suggested to my subscribers 2 weeks in advance to get out of the market at 19,500. Many of our subscribers got out of the market and they saved themselves a heck of a lot of money. What would that information be worth for you today? Look, it's not lost. Bitcoin is going to go to extreme highs, but there's also going to be high points and low points that we need to be aware of. And this is my job at Python Signals, to bring you the low point in the market and then give you the high point in the market where we recommend that we get out of the market. During 2018, we have almost called every single high point and every single low point in Bitcoin this year. Again, I am looking forward to seeing you live at the Oriental Hotel on the 14th of December in Lagos, Nigeria.
Okay, so that was Marius Landman, the man that's behind the cryptocurrency knowledge base. And before we go into explain, well, before I go into explain our help page that we've set up, first let me just go over what the website offers. And basically the website that you'll find at yourbitcoinsolution.com is a website for people interested in getting into Bitcoin, cryptocurrency space, and getting access to some amazingly accurate and predictable data of when to get in and when to get out of the market, and recommended coins in which to make your investment money. Of course, you've just met Marius Landman, who is the author of the reports that you would receive. But he's also set up this information through a company called Python Signals to be recommended and shared with others, to obviously have a bigger member base, and pays anyone who does so a recommendation fee. Basically, it is a sharing of some of the profit that comes from the access to the crypto reports through membership with the members who actually recommend the reports. You might even want to call it a referral fee, or what being an affiliate is all about. So basically, you use, share and recommend the reports that only members can access through the conversation, social media, or even via a website like this one, and get paid on an ongoing basis. It's about the crux of what the reports are all about. So you use what you obviously value and you share it with others, and you profit share in the electronic component of that. So you also get access to any help you need, from verification to purchase and crypto wallets, coins to buy, etc. We ask you to browse here on this website to your heart's content, and at the end I trust you see the opportunity here and come on board. I'd love to hear from you when you do, and if you need help, then help is what you'll get here. So let me go on over to our help page and take you through exactly what is in a help account. So here we are on our help account page. Now, a help account is exactly what it says it is. We help you through the process of getting set up with cryptocurrency. Now, help account is a premium membership account with hands-on help. And this is for the person who is brand new or not quite sure, or just wants a helping hand to get things all set up correctly, just to make sure your future in Bitcoin starts off on the right foot. And of course, guys, when we say Bitcoin, Bitcoin is cryptocurrency, so it includes all the other cryptocurrencies or information on it that Marius puts in his reports as well. So a help account gives you the silver membership for 60 days, Currently it's you pay in Bitcoin. It's $100 worth of Bitcoin, which continues to earn commissions through to level 6. Now, more information about the levels on this can be found on this website, of course, and that can be fully explained, or you can go through and look at that yourself right now, but it's not important for this help page. This is basically to help you get set up once you've made that decision. Yeah. Okay, so a help account also gives you hands-on help with a verification and approval process to be able to buy cryptocurrency and setting up your wallet or wallets if necessary. Now, a help account also gives you personal one-on-one Zoom time or a meeting to take you through your back office and to answer any questions that you also have or are likely to have along the way. Now, a help account is the absolute best way to go if you think you'll need help with any of the above, and includes the 60 days silver membership for just $150, which really is your bargain for today. Now, this is a starting initiative and may not be available as this continues to grow simply because of the time availability to offer one-on-one help. So grab your chance now for a stress-free setup and entry into the cryptocurrency world while this offer is still available. And signed me, that's Tom, of course. And guys, the market is low. It's at a very low. Has been for the build up for this low has been about 10 or 11 months, and the turnaround is just around the corner. Now, when this gets busy, everyone will be wanting to get into crypto. This is your chance now, which is why this is here, that it may no longer be here very shortly, simply because of the demand. When the crypto market turns to the positive, you'll see a flurry of activity. So here is your chance to get in and have a look now and make your mind up. Yeah, it's free to access for a start, and then obviously you can talk to me or any one of the people in the group that's also joined up through this page, and we can take it from there. But I'm just saying right now is a very, very good time to get in, because when this turns around and starts to head north and all the positive news starts to be screened on TV, you will see a flurry of activity back into the Bitcoin market. So, okay, what to do now if you made your mind up? First, click to set up a free account, which is labelled free TomTom Python Signals account. Now, you need that TomTom Python Signals account, as you'll see up the top, just up the top of the page. When you click on the link that you'll see just down the bottom, see there the green link, get a free TomTom Python Signals account here. Now, on that registration page, simply write a help account after your surname. See where this little red circle is here that I've put here on your surname here. Just write help there, and we will know to contact you and take you through that setup process. But simply fill out your details here, put help at the end of that your surname there, and guys, it couldn't be any simpler. So go to the bottom of the page and get your free TomTom Python Signals account here, and take it one step at a time from there. When you put that help there, we'll contact you and we'll set you up correctly and take you through that Zoom account and get you started on the right track. Thanks for listening. Catch you soon.